Hello everyone, my name is DetoxJohn with Detox Marijuana Fast. Today I'm doing an old style Aloe Toxin Rid Shampoo review. Since my first time publishing the old style Aloe Toxin Rid Shampoo review almost 7 years ago, I have seen hundreds of success stories when all product instructions were applied and failures when users tried to substitute this shampoo with other products or did not take into account their hair recontamination issues. If you use the old style Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo as one of the main components of the Makujo and the Aloe Toxin Rid treatment methods and follow the method's instructions to the letter, you give yourself the best odds to pass your hair drug test. How can the old style Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo help you? The old style Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo, the old formula, plays one of the most important roles in the initial cleansing of the hair in order to pass a hair drug test. It is used in both of the hair cleansing methods, the Aloe Toxin Rid treatment and the Makujo method. The hair shaft is comprised of the following three layers: the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. THC metabolites are stored in the cortex, which in turn is protected by the cuticle. The cuticle is a hard, shingle-like layer of overlapping cells, some 5 to 12 layers deep. In order to clean the metabolites from the cortex, the cuticle must first be opened before penetration. Combination of many specially formulated components of old style Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo, including a high propylene glycol, opens the cuticle and reduces the metabolites from the cortex. It is important to note that only the old style Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo with the high propylene glycol is effective. This shampoo was designed for users with all types of hair. Here's a short summary of instructions. You wet your hair thoroughly. Apply a shampoo, massage into scalp and hair for 10 minutes, working up a lather. You leave in for 3 minutes, then rinse well with lukewarm water. It's important to be aware that in order to achieve the best results, you should apply shampoo to the scalp covering the first 1.5 inches of your hair closest to the scalp, as almost all hair drug tests will test only the first 1.5 inches of your hair closest to the scalp. Use a new comb or brush after using shampoo in order to avoid recontamination. Avoid contact with or thoroughly clean items such as eyeglasses, hats, hoodies, car headrests, and pillows, etc. If you have a heavy toxin exposure or thick hair and need to stretch shampoo, you might apply just enough shampoo to the first 1.5 inches closest to your scalp and just let it sit there for some time. Pros and cons of Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo. The old style Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo deep cleaning formula will not harm your hair. It gently removes buildup, chlorine, hard water minerals, and chemical substances including THC by using advanced microsphere technology to ensure gradual release of the metabolites. It is easy to apply. You'll receive a full 5 ounces of gentle clarifying shampoo, which is enough for multiple applications. It has no side effects such as burning, itching, or irritating your scalp. You can order the product for overnight delivery if you have your hair drug test within a few days. The cons. Old style Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo is very expensive. However, it is the best support shampoo on the market to help you pass your hair drug test. In order to achieve the best possible results, you need to use this shampoo with a combination of other cleaning products. This is explained in detail in the old style Aloe Toxin Rid treatment and Makujo methods reviews. You must follow the instructions to the letter if you want to pass the test. No existing detox product on the market can guarantee you 100% success rate in passing drug tests. Where to buy the old style Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo? To ensure you have an accurate test result, you need to have the official old style Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo, which can only be purchased at the official website. If you see an old style Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo products other than the official website, please be aware that they are not official and may be knockoff products. For more details on where to find old Toxin Rid shampoo, please click our link below. Also, please subscribe to our channel, detoxmarijuana.com, and have a great day, and goodbye.